Hi kids, how are you all? Today I will show you how to draw a cute apple. So let's start drawing and coloring together. Our apple drawing ready. Now I will color it. I will color red color. I will color red. Red color apple. Red color apple. Wow, it's look like so beautiful. Now I will use green color on the top of the apple and on the leaf. So here is our coloring done. Our apple drawing is ready. If you like my drawing, please like, share and subscribe my channel and support me.